So those that know me know that those that know me well know that I quite enjoy a little bit of DIY, and when I say a little bit, sometimes I do go crazy and I build really big projects, or I create really big projects. But this is the thing. I now have a collection of, pretty much all the tools that I need to do every job you can think when it comes to carpentry, I guess, and building things. But I was trying to remove a fence in a house in Belfast, as you happen to do, and I have no tools there. And I was just using a screwdriver trying to unscrew those screws and take the fence down. Half of the fence had come off because of high winds. And as I'm unscrewing and I'm getting on, and it's very slow because I don't have any of my power tools, I then realized that I'm bleeding all over the place. As I was unscrewing the screw, my knuckles were getting caught on the fence and I didn't even realize it. Anyway, long story short, I realized that saying that the tools make the master handyman is so true, because I've built amazing sheds. Well, I call it an amazing shed. I built a 2-meter high greenhouse. Half of it is underground, following the old Victorian designs. Everything with recycled, reused materials. And here I was, just taking a couple of panels of a fence off, and I was bleeding all over the place. So, give your people the tools they need to get the job done. In the long run, you're going to save more money, you're going to save time, your team will be more efficient, and you will stop bleeding aimlessly all over the place. There you go. Lesson of the day.